Here I have TECLAST P20HD, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have the power saving mode. Tap on it once and you can select the power saving mode here. So you have always enabled the smart saving mode. Here you can enable power saving mode, or you can select this ultra saving mode, but we'll just stay with this normal power saving mode. If you hold your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, or you can't. Unfortunately, there is no power saving mode on this device. Here you can set the schedule power saving, for example. You can add the schedule for this mode. You can select battery mode during this time. So actually there is some settings. You can set it to exit power saving mode when your device is charging. This is the low power saver, so at which battery percentage your device will automatically switch to the power saving mode. You can set it on 15, 20, 30, 50, I don't know. Let's set it on 30. Here you can select to which power mode it will switch. And here you can select which mode you want to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.